Everyone, please welcome your host, Mike Fawaz.
We're live, right? Awesome. Welcome, April 1st. I'll tell you, it's funny. I've gotten a lot of different messages today. One, I wanted to do an April Fool's joke, and then I opted out, so don't worry, no April Fool's jokes. However, every single time I had a conversation with someone on my team today, I got a follow-up 20 minutes later saying, is this April Fool's joke or not? And I asked myself, I don't get it. Are these crazy decisions or crazy phone calls that I needed to get? Is this April Fool's? Anyways, no April Fool's. It is sunny. We're in Detroit. I apologize for my voice. I'm a little under the weather. I do believe allergies is playing a big effect on me today, so I apologize if I cough a couple of times. But I'm excited to get in front of our broker partners. I'm excited to get in front of our partners because one feedback I received is we don't just have broker partners, we also have banks and credit unions. So every time I say broker partners, I'm excluding that incredible group of partners. So welcome to everyone. Welcome to our sales team, PDM Nation, retention, travel team, our ops, everyone that's joined this call. Welcome to April 1st, the beginning of Q2 of 2024. Before I get started and before I go through our agenda today, I want to go over a quick conversation I had. It was I believe last week, Thursday. So last week, Thursday, I was sitting down doing a podcast. And the question that I received was, Fawaz, what do you think of TPO, Rocket Pro TPO, by the way, when it comes to the wholesale business, like the mortgage industry, specifically the broker community? And I can tell you, as I sat there and I was listening to the question, I don't know why. First of all, we are in Michigan, and we have probably, I did not confirm the stat, probably the most lighthouses in America. We're in the Great Lakes, so someone can fact check me there. But as I was sitting through this podcast and I was listening to this specific question, I started thinking about lighthouse and what lighthouses do specifically to help guide boats, ships through storms. And the reason why I thought about lighthouses about 3 weeks ago, almost 4 weeks ago now, I attended a class down in Dallas where I quite frankly, I attended a class to help me get better when it comes to presenting, getting in front of audience. Some would say hey, you really did this class? Come on, you do well, you get in front of audience all the time. And my answer was simple. You always got to learn. You've always got to work on your skill, and you always got to try to get better. And during this class that I attended, shout out to Rene Rodriguez, by the way, my friend, what an incredible job. Thank you for your 2 days that I spent with you. It was quite valuable. But as I was sitting during this class, there was a notebook that had a lighthouse in front of it, on the front of it. And the entire time I was thinking, what's this lighthouse doing this? Because I missed the first night of dinner. That's where they talked about the lighthouse. But as I was sitting through it, I started writing notes about what does lighthouse represent to me? What does a lighthouse represent to me? And on a personal level, I started reflecting on my life, and from a leadership standpoint and a personal standpoint, I believe I've been fortunate enough to be the lighthouse for my family, and also as a leader, the lighthouse for my leadership team and the team. Because in my opinion, a lighthouse is the one that guides folks through tough times, guides ships through storms. But what you don't often see is someone stopping at the end of the storm, when the storm is all said and done, and say, hey, thank you to the lighthouse keeper, or to just stopping by and say thank you. Because in my opinion, leadership isn't about waiting for someone to say thank you. So when I answered the question about what do I think Rocket Pro TPO represents to the broker community, and how does Rocket Pro TPO add to the broker community, my answer was simple. For the last 3 to 4 years, we've been that lighthouse. We've been that lighthouse that's been guiding ships through every single day. We've been doing it in silence. We've been doing it sometimes loud, because I know that I can be loud as well, but we've been doing it the right way. And we've never, ever wanted or waited for anyone to say thank you, because it is our job to do so. We're in this business to help human beings get through tough times, to help human beings grow their business, mortgage brokers, partners grow their business, grow everything they've put into their business over their life, and our job is to provide. So just like when I think about the lighthouse, I think about how we are in a position, and I talked about it in January, to earn the partnership. As a lighthouse, as this guiding mission that we have to deliver to our broker partners, we want to earn your partnership. And that was my answer, and I wanted to share with you all, we will continue to be that lighthouse, and we're going to continue to provide to you. So I appreciate you, and I thank you for all your business, and we're grateful that you get to do business with us every single day. We're honored to be able to serve you every single day. All right, moving on. As I think about the storm, I think about Lighthouse. I ran through a stat over the weekend to talk about purchase market statistics. So I want to share a couple of things with all of you, which leads me into talking about a couple of client scenarios, because I do believe when I think about us being a lighthouse and I think about us guiding you, I do believe there's so many resources that we do provide the broker community that sometimes you miss out on. And I want to talk about those resources. I also want to go over some resources to scale. When I was sitting through this podcast and I was asked, like, how do you help broker partners scale? I recognized that we can do a better job explaining to all of you some of the things that we do to help you grow. It's been an incredible journey, and we're driving to become the #1 wholesale lender with your help and with our commitment to you. We will. Last but not least, I will close it out by recapping some of the things that we're talking about. All right, let's get the party started. Purchase market statistics. As I was looking through, sometimes you spend time on social media. I got through this stats. I believe Zillow provided the stat, by the way. So let's talk about a couple of things. 50% of first-time home buyers, or 50% of home buyers are first-time home buyers. So 50% of folks that are looking to buy a home in this market today are first-time home buyers. 96% of these first-time home buyers get a pre-approval. They get pre-approved. And when I thought about that, I started reflecting on what we've done in the last 2 years to deliver to our broker partners, a elite purchase experience, an experience that will help you deliver to your clients, to your realtor partnerships, an elite purchase experience. Started thinking about Cruise 2 years ago, and I'll touch on it in a sec. We created this Cruise model where we gave you your dedicated operations team, boutique lending at your fingertips. I started thinking about making sure that we close your deals on time. And overall, when I think about our VAL process, our verified approval letter, real talk, it's been an incredible hit because we decided to take this verified approval letter and take it to the next level, meaning not just verifying, like taking a look at income, assets, and really like maybe using AI, which I would love to get to at one point. But what we've done in the last 14 months, if we've put skilled underwriters taking a look at your client's financial situation, looking at your client's qualifications to give you this verified approval letter where you can go out there as a broker partner, you can go out there as a client, and you can shop with confidence. You can tell realtors that, hey, I do have a verified approval letter with Rocket Pro TPO, which means they went through every single aspect of my client's qualification to deliver to you, to your sellers, a elite purchase experience. And as I started thinking about that, a couple of things come to mind. As I just said, like your first-time home buyers, 50% of folks that are looking to purchase a home today are first-time home buyers. And then I started to think like, all right, if you're a first-time home buyer, There are a lot of resources for you as a broker partner. There are a lot of resources for you as a client working with a Rocket Pro TPO partner that can help you win in this market, that can help you qualify for this purchase loan. So let's start. You might need where you need help with your credit to help you improve your credit score. And that's why we have our credit upgrade team. This is a service that we initially had where we offered to our Pinnacle partners. But earlier this year, we decided to roll this out to all broker partners. You're talking about a service where we can look at helping you remove disputes, helping you when it comes to giving you guidance to how you can improve your credit score, give you access to be able to take a look at your credit score, work on a couple of things, and then help you rescore for free. We're not charging your clients. We're not charging you as a broker partner. We're giving you this service for free. This is a group of experts, and you can see the pictures roll on the screen. These are a group of experts that are dedicated to deliver to you an experience where you can help your clients qualify for a mortgage, qualify for a better rate closing cost combination while even in process. If you have a client that's at 635 credit score, first-time home buyer, and they're looking to purchase a home, you can utilize this tool to be able to improve credit while in process. And guess what? What an incredible phone call you can make to that client, to the realtor. Let them know that during process, even when your rate was locked, we were able to help you improve your score, and now you qualify for a better rate closing cost combination, help you save money so you can take that money and put it into your new home. This is just one service as I'm thinking about these scenarios. One service that we have available to you. So as a broker partner, if you are not using Credit Upgrade, and I look at the stats, not everyone is using it, take advantage of it. If you're a broker owner, set up a call with us. Let us introduce Credit Upgrade and the power of Credit Upgrade to all of your team. We will take the time to explain how it works. We will take the time to introduce you to our team and give you access to an incredible, incredible tool that can help you win business. But that's just one piece into helping you with this purchase journey, specifically to first-time home buyers. Let's talk about a couple of other things. When we look at what we do when it comes to providing you solutions and providing you support in purchase business, specifically when it comes to first-time home buyers, now clearly these tools are available to everyone, but just based on the stat I was looking at, a higher number of folks that are looking to purchase are first-time home buyers. I want to talk about these things. One, we can also help you when it comes to guidelines and when it comes to like questions about if your client qualifies or not. But the best part about it is we don't want you to lean on us. We don't want you to lean on a human being or wait for a phone call to make. You can actually have access to this online, and I'll talk about it in a second. We also created this affordable product tool where you simply have to input a couple of things to be able to deliver to your clients the options that they qualify for, as well as a couple of other tools, including Condo Simply. Let me touch on a couple of things. So we'll start 24/7, 365, our Pathfinder, which is really the Google of mortgages available to all of our broker partners. Believe it or not, sometimes I see broker partners that aren't doing business with us trying to access Pathfinder, which to me makes me feel good that folks see value in it. This is a tool available to all of our broker partners, to all of their loan officers, to the processors, giving you that ability to be able to look at guidelines, ability to look at qualifications without waiting to have a conversation. But not only that, we also have our product compare tool where you can input a couple of pieces of information about your clients and be able to get all the information when it comes to what products do they qualify for. Simple view, breaking down all the programs for you without having to pull credit, without having to go through a full application. I know as I'm going through these, the screen is rolling, which is fine. One of our account executives, if you wanted more details on some of these things, please reach out. We will walk you through these things. But also we have our Condo Simply tool. And I'll tell you, we rolled this thing out 2 years ago. And when it comes to what we do and how we provide value for our broker partners, I believe this one is at the top of the list. Giving you access to our database, looking at how much we do business in the market, which, as you all know, we do a lot of business. We're a leader when it comes to residential mortgages, whether it's on our retail or when it comes to our wholesale channel. We are able to take a look at all condo associations in America, every one of them that we've done a loan in these condo associations, in these condo complexes. And if we've done a loan in one of these complexes, you don't have to go through a condo questionnaire. You will save 7 to 8 days in process, not waiting for a questionnaire to come back. But more importantly, you will have the ability to save money when it comes to paying for a condo questionnaire and having your client have to pay for it. This is just one of those tools that we give you so you can have the certainty that you need, so you can have the confidence that you need when you're working with realtors and clients looking at a specific condo, letting them know that we're able to provide you an approval based on what we have in our database, where you don't have to wait for a questionnaire and you can save time and process. These are all tools available to you. These are all tools that we want to provide to you because we believe we need to earn your partnership. These are not tools where you have to do loans with us and earn into them. That's not how it works. We provide them to you to help you earn the partnership. So that was scenario one. Let's talk about scenario two. We do a ton of business in California, and we know jumbo is a big deal. Look, we also understand that jumbo, when it comes to qualifications, can be a little complex. Okay? And we get it. So what we do is, as a company, we've provided to our broker partners access to our SOS hotline. And the best part about it is you don't have to use points. You don't have to qualify to make a phone call. You don't have to earn some sort of level to be able to make a simple phone call to speak to our experienced underwriters to provide you guidance, provide you what you need to be able to take an application with confidence, with certainty, knowing that you spoke to a very skilled underwriter to be able to provide you this information. I have some stats on the screen. 25% of partners that submitted an SOS case for every 3 registered loan has 25% lower loan fallout. That is us providing you that value to help you earn more business and not have to deal with fallout. Plus 5% partners with lower fallout close on average 5 or more loans a month. Think about that. Partners with lower fallouts close on average 5 or more loans a month, which is us providing you that value that you need without having to go through the hassle. Do I qualify to make that phone call or not? Look, you don't have to pay for it. It's free. It's a value for you, access to our underwriters. And I'm not talking about our crews, because I'll talk about our crews in a second. And I'll talk about our dedicated operations team to you. No, this is us helping you through the storm. This is us being that lighthouse for you. And because we are that lighthouse, we're giving you a tool way before registering a loan, way before having an application, where you can speak to experienced underwriters and have that certainty and confidence that you need so you can deliver value to your clients, to your realtor partnerships, and be able to speak with confidence. Earn the partnership, and that's what we want to do every single day. But we're not done. You also need high-level communication. And that's when I'll talk about our crews in a second, as well as, well, let's talk about crews for a sec. When I started our conversation, I talked about us changing how we do business when it comes to purchase business. When it comes to business in general, but specifically being able to take what we do and elevate it to a very elite level to give you that boutique lending feel that you deserve, access to your dedicated operations team to be able to deliver to you every single time. Being that lighthouse for you, meaning that we need to deliver to you every single time. So let's talk about that for a sec. Your crew team has frontline underwriters, partner escalation specialists, as well as closing. If you have a question as a broker partner, all you have to do is pick up the phone and speak to your underwriter. They're available to you. 98% of the time, we're picking up the phone every single time you call, because we are dedicated to you. This is a cruise that's available to you to help you build your business, help you grow your business, and deliver to you, to your clients, to your realtors, every single time you make that phone call. If you have a question and you're not satisfied with your underwriter's answers, you can call a team leader, you can call your crew director. But we are going to take that loan from start to finish and deliver that boutique lending feel for you. Because our job, like the lighthouse, is to earn your partnership. It's to deliver to you. We've done that for the last 2 years. The feedback has been incredible, and we're going to continue to provide this service to all of you. And the best part about it, you as a broker partner don't have to earn. You don't have to earn into it. You don't have to get to a certain level. You don't have to accumulate certain amount of points to be able to get to this. You get it because our job is to deliver to you and earn your partnership. Some of you might be on this call watching saying, Fawaz, we've heard this before, and I get it. I know that you have, but some of you haven't. So I want to make sure you understand, because I was sitting through this podcast and I was thinking about us, the lighthouse, and all the things that we have done in the last 4 to 5 years to change how the broker world looks like, give you that freedom. I can tell you right now, one of the questions was, how do you feel about your broker partners and how do they feel about you? And my answer was simple. I believe our broker partners, Rocket Pro TPO's broker partners, sleep better at night knowing they have the freedom to do whatever they want. And because of that, I'm talking about these things, because I do believe we do provide resources and we do provide tools for you as a broker partner to grow and build your business every single day. And it's important for me to talk about it. But we're not done. This is just one part of how we deliver value to you. Let's also talk about rate lock extension. This is a big deal. Not just rate lock extension, but also how we do business when it comes to rate locks. How do we business when it comes to rate locks and closing dates? And how do we deliver to our broker partners value to be able to earn and be able to help their clients without having to deal with rate lock extensions and fees, etc. You never know. Sometimes you need it. So this is a way for us to do so. Also, talk a little bit about our Jumbo Smart and how we make, or how do we take a program that sometimes or often can be complex, and using our Jumbo Smart can be very easy. And typically we can deliver this loan for you in a record time, close you on time, and not have to wait specifically when it comes to Jumbo. So let's talk about a couple of things. Padlock, you all know. Again, as I think about us and what we've done in the last 3 to 4 years and how we stand strong for the broker community, guiding you all, Padlock was one of these things where I believe, it also stands like it goes at the top of the list of the value and the tools we have to our broker partners. Imagine a world where every single time you close a loan, you're earning 3 Padlock days. Imagine a world as a broker partner, if you ever need to extend, you don't have to make a phone call to your client. You don't have to make a phone call to that realtor and let them know, hey, by the way, we're up for rate lock expiration. We're going to need to extend. We're going to have to call the client and let them know they're going to have to pay a fee. By doing business with us, you're earning your Padlock days so you can utilize those days to deliver value to your clients. I believe when it comes to us delivering value to you and your clients, Padlock is at the top of our list. But not only so, I want to talk about our rate lock policy. Our rate locks are valid through signing, not funding. If you're a broker owner, you know what I'm talking about. Think about that. Signing, not funding. Typically, you're going to have to wait 24, 48, sometimes 72 hours for funding. You don't have to worry about that when it comes to us. As long as your clients sign, your rate lock is good. You're done. Funding can happen a day, 2, 3 days later. We're all good for it. And I believe this is also one of those one of those tools that we deliver to you to win in this market. Less rate locks, extensions, better optionality for you and your client, being that lighthouse that's guiding the mortgage broker community and guiding you through success is what we want to do, and that's how we earn your partnership. But we're not done. One of the questions that I also received was, Fawaz, how do you help your broker partners scale? Or loan officers that are looking to grow their business in 2024. That was a good question. And I started thinking like, hey, let me list for you all the things that we do. And the gentleman looked at me, he's like, I don't usually hear about these things. What an incredible opportunity for you to talk about. And that's why I'm going to talk about these things with you today. We have a program called Broker in a Box. This program is dedicated to you. It's dedicated to loan officers and broker partners. If you're looking to grow your business and you're looking to add other vendors, other third-party vendors, you're looking to be able to partner with vendors to help you grow your business, we have that through our broker-in-a-box option, our broker-in-a-box tool. If you're looking for licensing and being able to take advantage of discount licensing and help you with continuing education classes, we can offer you these resources. You know, Rocket, as big as we are, we're able to utilize some of these resources and some of these special arrangements that we have to deliver to you. But the last one is the most important one to us. The last one to me is a big deal, is the ability to offer you a diversified suite of wholesale lenders. See, with us, it's simple. You want to sign up with us? We would love to earn your partnership. You want to do business with us? We would love to be that lighthouse and help guide you through the storm and help you grow your business. And we'll do it without any restrictions. We'll do it without telling you who you can work with and who you can't, and give you these restrictions that, quite frankly, you became a broker or you're trying to become a broker because you want that freedom. And the last thing we want to do is take it away from you. So if you're a loan officer listening and you're thinking about doing your thing and you want to do it on your own, please reach out. Our broker-in-a-box team will be more than happy. Our BIB team are available to help you. But if you're a broker partner and you're thinking like, hey, I just noticed that you have discount pricing on licensing, continuing education, call us, call your account executive. Let us provide you a list of services that we have to offer you. If you're thinking about third-party services, LOS, POS, CRM, whatever it is, call us. We have resources that is available to you. Like I said, and we want to compete. We want you to do business with whoever you want to do business with because we believe in freedom. We believe in you having the ability to compete every single day. But we're not done. When I think about resources, I think about the ability for us to do partnerships and bring partnerships together to provide you value, such as MMI. We did this about 2 months ago, and we worked with our MMI partners to be able to provide you value. If you're thinking to grow your business, if you're thinking to grow your relationships, build new relationships, leveraging data, and have insights into what's happening in your area, in your market, in your state, we were able to utilize our relationships and the things that we offer as a wholesale partner, as your lighthouse guiding you through, where we were able to forge a relationship with MMI to offer you the service at $100 per month. Not going to go into what they charge and what other servicers charge, but if you are a broker partner and you've utilized a data service before, you understand the value of being able to do this at $100 per month. And by the way, we're doing it because we believe in earning your partnership. We believe delivering value to you is our responsibility. We believe that you doing business with us is a privilege to us. We're honored that we are able to serve you, and we want to deliver that value to you. So if you haven't used MMI, please reach out. Call your account executive, ask questions. Let us show you how to utilize it. Let us show you how you can win by utilizing this service to help you grow your business. But we're not done. Yes, we're not done. Let's talk about recruiting consultations. This is a service available to our Pinnacle partners, where we can help you sit down with experts in the industry, showing you and walking you through some of the things that we do to be able to grow our loan officer base and how we can help you grow your business by adding loan officers. We will be able to give you a consultation and guide you through this process. So I challenge you, if you're a broker partner, and we have a ton of Pinnacle partners, and you haven't used this recruiting consultation service, you should take advantage of it. We have an email address at the bottom of the screen, Malak Ramal at rocketmortgage.com. She's a pro. She's an expert. She and her team will be able to help you. All you have to do is reach out. Ask us questions. We have so many resources available to you. We just need you to reach out, and we'll be able to help you. Again, this is just another tool, another resource that we have available for you to help you grow in your business. Not done. I want to take a moment and talk about our training team. 38 years of experience, almost 39 years of helping loan officers grow and any market. 38 years of experience building the most incredible training resources in the world when it comes to mortgages. Available to our broker partners, available to our Rocket Pro TPO broker partners as part of this lighthouse that guides you through every market. It is available for you, whether it's our standard virtual instructor-led experience, okay? Think about that. Or our on-demand video experience, or our customized trainings, by the way. We just had a broker partner in our offices 2 weeks ago, and I got in front of the group. It was about 40 individuals, and I actually stood on stage with Ian Perkins, who leads our training experience for Rocket Pro TPO, and I said, I don't know if you know this, but if you want customized trainings for you and your team, we have those trainings available for you. We have those trainings available for you where you can help your team grow. You just have to let us know what you need. And the best part about it, and Ian is in the back and looking at it, the best part about it is you don't have to earn into this. You don't have to level up to be able to get this as service. We will do it for any of our broker partners. It doesn't matter how much business you do. It is part of us making sure that we earn your partnership. It's part of us making sure that we earn your business. And it's part of our lighthouse experience, giving you everything that you need to guide you through this market. So please take advantage of it. I went through a lot, but I want to make sure that this Ignite Live was a little bit different. I want to talk about all these resources, and I want to talk about all these incredible things that we offer you. And if you're a broker partner and you learned something new today, I'm glad that we were able to cover this information. If you didn't, it's okay. I want to make sure that your team knows all the things that we're doing. I want to make sure you understand our dedication to what we will do for you and the broker community. And I'm excited to continue to grow our business. I'm excited to continue to deliver to you value and be able to put you in a position to win. All right, last thing. I do have some note cards. Powerful Allison Mattia, incredible handwriting. Thank you, wrote for me. The next slide is I want to give you a sneak peek. Yep, now you have a sneak peek. I know I have your attention now. So look, we all know that the NFL draft is happening in Detroit in less than 2 to 3 weeks. And we understand that Rocket Mortgage is a proud sponsor of the NFL draft. And we're excited with the energy that's happening in Detroit. I was walking across the street today to come to this building, and I'm seeing the signs out there and all the things that's out there already. And what an incredible feeling to see Detroit in 3 weeks from now having almost 800,000 folks in town being here at the NFL draft. And it's exciting for us because when we think about Dan Gilbert and his mission and all the things that he's worked on, I believe Dan Gilbert has also represented a lighthouse for the city of Detroit, guiding this city through tough times, guiding the city through a lot of turbulence. But look where we are at today. You walk around, restaurants everywhere, incredible buildings, growth like no other. So when I think about that and I think about us being able to provide value to you all, I'm excited that our next Pro Talks, our very next Pro Talks, which I believe is on April 24th at 2 p.m., is with Kirk Herbstreit. Now look, I was thinking like I can do a whole speech about Kirk and all the things that he's done, but really what I'm excited the most about is sitting with Kirk and talking about what happens when you fail in life and how do you get out of that situation and how do you persevere and how do you grow and how do you take advantage of all the tools available to you in life to not fail, and if you fail, to learn from your failure. When I think about Kirk and I think about his experience and all the incredible things that he's able to accomplish, there's no one better that I would want to sit down with and have a conversation about growth, have a conversation about delivering during hard times, during tough times, and there's no one better to talk about how in a storm, it is so important that you are that lighthouse for everyone around you. So I'm excited about this. Tune in. It's going to be an incredible, incredible event. We'll get to do it live from NFL Draft, and I'm excited to sit with Kirk. I look forward to it. I'll just repeat, April 24th at 2 p.m. Eastern. By the way, Ian, I'm thinking about this live. Everything we do is at 2 p.m. Eastern. I don't know why, but Pro Talks, Pro Performance Ignite. So maybe there's a thing there. I don't think we've planned it, but it's just becoming a thing. So I don't know. Maybe we switch it up. Can we switch it up? All right, let's do a recap. Rocket Pro TPO provides a premier broker platform. Our goal is to provide the most amazing platform to the broker community in America. Our goal is to continue to deliver and continue to be that lighthouse for you. Whether it's in a storm, whether in calm waters, we just want to be that lighthouse and deliver to you value. When I think about what we do from a relationship standpoint, I'm talking about incredible account executives, experienced account executives that's done it, whether as a loan officer, as an account executive for years, being able to be there for you. I'm thinking about Cruz delivering that boutique lending for you so you can have conversations with your operations team that are dedicated to deliver to you. When I think about our training and our incredible training team or credit experts, these are just very few things that a list of many things that we deliver to you. But we're also focused on technology that empowers you to win in any market. We're talking about Pathfinder, Google of the mortgages for you, available to all of our broker partners. When I talk about Product Compare, affordable product gadgets, or Condo Simply, or the gadgets that we have in Pathfinder that are available to you, to your loan officers, and to your clients. Or when it comes to peace of mind, having direct access to SOS, lock-through closings, padlock, EPO protection for Pinnacle. I want to talk about that for a sec. Get a lot of questions about EPOs. And what happens, Fawaz, when there's an EPO? If you are a Pinnacle partner of Rocket Pro TPO, and you are not the one originating a loan within 6 months, you are not responsible for that EPO. It's part of our process, it's in writing, and the best part about it, as the lighthouse guiding you through every single storm, you can take that to the bank that we will never go back on our word. We never go back and bill you after we told you that you don't have to pay for it. And that is our commitment to you. And I'll leave you with this. Earn the partnership. I started in January talking about this, and I continue to talk about it every single day. Because I believe it is our honor to be able to earn your partnership. I believe it is our duty to earn your partnership. Whether you're a Rocket Pro TPO partner or a potential Rocket Pro TPO partner, we want to earn your partnership every single day. We want to earn your partnership with every single conversation we have with you, whether it's sales, ops, marketing, technology, SOS, underwriting, whoever it is. We want to earn your partnership, and our goal is to earn your partnership. And if you're not a Rocket Pro TPO partner, we want to provide all these tools for you to help you grow. And the best part about it, and I'll close with this, in any storm, you want to be able to work with a partner where you can trust, a partner that you can sleep at night knowing that we're not after you, we're not after your business, we're not coming after you. Instead, we're providing you value, we're providing you the guidance that you need, and we are that lighthouse in every single storm. We've done it for the last 4 to 5 years. We're going to continue to do so. And we don't expect a thank you because, again, our job is to earn your partnership. Our job is to deliver to you. And my commitment to you and my team's commitment to all of you is we will continue to be the guiding light in every storm, in any market, and we want to earn your partnership. Thank you for everything. We appreciate you. I look forward to seeing you all next month. And I'll see you at Pro Talks, April 24th at 2 p.m. It's going to be an incredible one. And as always, let's dial it up.